Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. In the previous video, we discussed up to worksheet 3, right? In this video, we are going to discuss the problems from worksheet 4. Let us see here what is the first question. 0.088 divided by 2.2. So, this question is related to the division of decimals. Division of decimals. See here, 0.088 is divided by 2.2. So children, how we can write this one, ma? Simply we can write this one as 88 by, point after how many decimal places are there? 3 decimal places are there. So we can write that 1 after 3 zeros we can keep that. Okay, and divided by, here the total number we have to write, that is 22 by, point after how many digits there, ma? Only one digit, no? So that's why here 10. Clear? Now this one becomes as the division of two fractions. We know that how to do the division of two fractions. Okay, 88 by 1000, and the denominator also fraction only, no? So that's why the fraction becomes as a reciprocal. So that is 10 by 22. And here the division becomes as multiplication. Understand? Yes, 22 ones, 22 fours. Clear? And here again 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Finally here 4 by 100. So 4 by 100 means again that is in fraction form, right? In that fraction form, denominator we are having that powers of 10. Okay, that's why we can write this one as 0.04. Why? Because here 2 zeros there, no ma? So that's why 2 places before we have to keep the point. Left side of 2 points before 2 digits before we have to keep the decimal point. Understand? So finally what is the answer here? 0.04. Am I clear to you? Yes. Next, second one, the value of, this is also same only, 25.75 divided by 100. Divided by 100. So we can write this one as 2575. Just together you have to write that 2575 by, here point after how many digits there, ma? 2 digits there. 100 divided by 100. So again divided by is there, no? So that's why 2575 by 100 whole by 100. Okay, we can write this one as 2575 by, okay, here we can write it as 100 by 1. So we can write it as reciprocal 1 by 100. So that's why 100 into 100. Okay, and finally here 2575 by 100 into 100, which is equals to 10,000. Okay, 4 zeros you will get no here. So finally here, this number first you have to write that 2575. And here how many zeros are there, ma? 4 zeros are there. From that right side to left side you have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 4 zeros there, no? So 4 digits before you have to keep the point. And the point before digit is not there means you have to keep it as 0. Finally, the answer is 0.2575. Which option is correct, ma? Here, option C is correct. That is 0.2575. Understand? Yes. Next question. If 14 into 4, we know that 14 fours is 56 only, no? Then the value of 0.14 into 4. Then the value of 0.14 into 4. We can write that 0.14 as 14 by, here how many decimal places there? 2 decimal places. So that is 100 into 4. We can write this one as 14 into 4 by 100. And 14 into 4 is equal to 56 by 100. Understand? So what is the number here? 56. And here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So 2 digits before you have to keep the point. Finally the answer is 0.56. Answer is 0.56. Which option is correct, ma? Option C is correct. Okay. Next one. 0.35 into 0.2. This is the product of two decimal numbers. Understand? So we can write this one as 35 by, point after 2 digits means 100 into 2 by, point after 1 digit only, no? So that is 10, which is equals to 35 into 2 by 100 into 10, which is equals to 35 to 70 by 100 into 10, which is equals to 1000. Which is equals to 1000. So we can write this one as 70. 70 is having only 2 digits, no ma. But here this is having 3 zeros. That's why you have to keep that one more 0 here. Now before that 3 digits, before you have to keep that 0. Now the answer is 0.070. Okay, 0.070. Option D is correct here. Understand? Yes. Next, fifth one. Here 256 divided by 16 is equal to 16. 16 is 256 only, no? So satisfying. Next, we need to find the value of 2.56 by 16. 2.56 by 16. So children, we can write this one as 256 by point after how many digits there ma here? 2 digits there. So that's why 256 by 100 into 16. Am I clear to you? So as per this one here, we know that 1 by 100 into 256 by 16. And we know that 256 is divisible by 16. The value is 16. So 1 by 100 into 16, which is equals to 16 by 100. And finally the answer is 0.16. So which option is satisfying, ma? Option C is satisfying, 0.16. So children, say that next one ma here. 3.432 into 6. Just the product of an integer and the product of a decimal number, right? So here 6 2's 12. And here 6 3's are 18 plus 1, 19. 6 4's 24 plus 1, 25. 6 3's 18 plus 2, 20. Okay. And here how many decimal points are there? Only one decimal point is there, no? And here decimal point after how many digits there ma here? One decimal point means here decimal value is not there, no? So that's why here only one decimal point value only there here. Okay, so decimal point after here how many digits there? 1 2 3 digits there. Okay, so that's why here 3 digits before you have to keep that point. Understand? Or another way is 3432 by, and here point after how many digits there ma? 3 digits there. So by 1000 into 6. We can write this one as 3432 into 6 by 1000, which is equals to here 20592 by 1000. Again you will get the same number, no? 20.592. 20.592. Understand? Yes. So as per this one, what is the answer? 20.592. Clear? Yes. Next, seventh one, 1.07 into 1 into 3. So we know that 1 into 3 is again 3 only, no? So 1.07 into 3. We can write this one as 3 7's 21. Again 3 0's 0 plus 2. So 21.313's 3. Okay. So directly like this also you can write, or 107 by 100 into 3. So 107 into 3, which is equals to 321 by 100. We can write this one as 3.21. 3.21. So here which option is option not there, no? So that's why 3.21. What is the answer here? 3.21. Next, eighth one. This is also 126629 by point after how many digits there, ma? 10 to the power of 5, which means here 5 digits are there, no? So like this also we can write, or 126629 by 1 after 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. Clear? Into 9. Into 9. Now here 126629 into 9, which is equals to 9 9's 81, 9 2's are 18, 18 plus 1, sorry, 9 9's 81, 9 2's 18, 18 plus 8, 26. Okay. Next, 9 6 54 plus 2, 56. 9 6 54 plus 5, 59. Again 5. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 5, 23. Next, 9 1s 9. 9 plus 2, which is equals to 11. Okay, 11396661, which is equals to 11396661 whole by 1 lakh. 1 after 5 zeros only, no? So that's why here we have to write this number as 5 digits before we have to keep the point. So finally the answer is 11.39661. 11.39661. So the answer is 11.39661. Okay? Yes. Next, 9th one. Find the products. 512 into, here we can write this one as 947 by, point after 3 digits there, no ma? So 1000. Okay, simply find the product of 512 and 947. So 512 into 947. Do that multiplication here. 7 2s 14, 7 1s 7 plus 1, 8, 7 5s 35. Next, 4 2s 8, 4 1s 4, 4 5s 20. 9 2s 18, 9 1s 9 plus 1 10, 9 5s 45 plus 1 46, 4 16, 9 10 18, 4 8 4, 4 8 4 8 6 4, 4 8 4 8 6 4 by 1000. Okay, 1000 means how many zeros there, ma? 3 zeros there, no? So 3 digits before you have to keep the point. 4 8 6 4. 3 digits before, no? So that's why 484.864. Which option is correct, ma, here? Option A is correct. Understand? Yes. Next, 10th one, say that find the products. Here the product of any number 329 into 6.3429 into 0. So the product of these two numbers is again 0 only, no? Okay, so the product of any numbers with 0 is always equals to 0. Is always equals to 0. Which option is correct, ma? Option A is correct, that is 0. Next, find the products. Here 26.004 into 45. Okay, we can write this one as 26004 by 1000 into 45. Okay, 26004 into 45. 5 4s 20, 5 0 0, 5 6 30, 5 2s 10 plus 3 13. Clear? Next, 4 4s 16, 4 0 0, 4 6 24, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. 0 8 1 0 7 1 1. Okay, so finally here the number is 1170180 whole by 1000. So we can write this one as 1170.180. 1170.180. Which option is correct, ma? Here 180. Okay, without writing 0 also no problem. Understand why? Because that is in decimal point, no? So no need to write. That's why here 1170.180 or 18. Okay, why? Because 0 0 gets cancelled. After also you will get the same result. Understand, ma? Yes. So in this video, up to 11 questions we discussed, ma. In that next video, again we will discuss that 12 to 24 questions. Okay, thank you all.